Hello guys, this is Frank Anointed FX Academy, and this is our Elliott Wave weekly outlook on the currency pairs and metals and cryptos, some indices, and many other pairs. Okay, before we begin, I would like us to understand that this is a disclaimer, and this channel is for only for educational purposes, and all the video presentations and writing are only for educational purposes and are not intended as an investment advice. You can implement this while trading at your own risk after consulting your financial advisor. It's good to know, guys, that forex trading or crypto trading, any trading at all, is high risk. You can lose all your capitals. So it's best for you to understand how market react, how market move, how to manage your risk. Then you can be able to trade well. So I will recommend that you join the academy to learn risk management, to learn strategies, and learn how to trade before you can venture into trading. Okay. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to this channel. Click the bell icon to get our videos. Give this video a thumb like so that YouTuber will share it to other traders to benefit from. Okay, guys. Also, guys, VIP channels where we share our private trades. And we also have our Telegram channel where we analyze all these trades, in a lower time frame where you can find an entry and find your take profit. The link to our Telegram channel is on the description of this video below. So guys, let's continue and let's begin with DSY. This is the dollar index, and this dollar index is as a fifth wave, currently at the fifth wave. Looking at it, you can discover that before now, I expected this thing to be the kind of an for fourth wave. Why? I see an A, B, C. I see another A, B, and C. So we're expecting this market to move from here, then reverse from here and drop. So that's what I expected. But due to the current situation in the global scene, the war between Israel and Iran, so they have changed direction. So dollar is going to be weaker, and the euro is going to be stronger, and gold will be stronger, oil will be stronger. So these things, take note of them. Number one is dollar will be to build. Number two is that euro is going to be strong. Number three is that oil will be strong. Why will oil be strong? Oil will be strong because of um, Iran. You know, Iran is one of the major supplier of global oil. And due to this war now, their quota in supply will no longer be there, which will lead to shortage in supply. And when there is shortage in supply, the demand is going to be higher. And when demand is higher, you know what it means, price will go up. So that is logic behind oil going up. And logic behind gold going up. Gold is a safe haven. Whenever there is crisis on the global scene, every investor want to put their money in gold because gold is this high standard of money. Euro is also like a safe haven. Yen is also like a safe haven. Yen will be stronger. This time, in this critical time of this war now, yen will be stronger, euro will be stronger, and dollar will be weaker. Gold will be stronger. So let's move on without saying all this. This is an information, fundamental information I pass on to you. So let's dive into technical analysis and see how it plays out. So right now in DSY, what I'm expecting is that the market to continue to drop below here. It may break this trend and continue to fall because of the current situation. But the movement will not be a kind of sweet movement because Right now, I will not be trading currency pairs. Currency pairs are messing up right now because of this global tension. Currency pairs are messing up. What I will be trading now is I will just be focusing on the gold and oil. They will be doing well, but the currency pair will be messing up because of this currency pair will mess up a big time. You'll be seeing it moving up, down, up, down, up, down. You may enter your hit your stop loss and go your way, and all this stuff like that will be happening. Yeah, started happening last week, and this week is going to be worse because the war is getting intense and it's going to happen this very week. So may not be trading currency pairs. I will focus my mind on gold and crude oil and other commodities. So this is what I expected. I expected to continue to fall to this very point. That is what I expect in dollar index. So let's move on to Euro US dollar. So the US dollar is always an inverse of dollar index. You can see what I expected. I expected A, C, B. So I already see to drop from here, break this trend line, do correction, and then come here, pick some other here. But that's what I expected. But due to the war that is already happening, Euro will be stronger. And see, you have broken this upper lesion and you have come to test this level. So what am I expecting by Monday? I'm expecting an up move, up move. We're going to continue up. What I expected by Monday. Then up move on Monday. So I'm looking forward to be buying Euro US dollar by Monday. The full chart will drop on Telegram channel, so join there. You can see that I wanted to trade it. I want to trade in this pair. I want to trade this Great Britain Japanese yen or Great Britain US dollar, sorry. I want to bring it, trade it to this very point where I can see an order block to buy up. But due to the current situation of war, you can see that the market has already taken out this up region, taking the liquidity there. Come back here and close, take liquidity again, close below and come up. So what am I expecting? By Monday, we see up move. Tuesday, Wednesday, it will continue to go up. Dollar will continue to be weaker and this market continue to go up. That is what I'm expecting in Great Britain US dollar. Okay, this is Australian dollar US dollar. Dollar US dollar. I was hoping to see the market from here give me a correction in this bus where I can buy it, or even deeper where I can buy it. But it may not be able to come that very far again due to the current situation of global tension on war between Israel and Iran. So what you may see is going to come up, drop again, come up, drop again. We'll do it like that till get to this level. Sorry, guys. Sorry, I think I'm cash cool. It will be this like that till you get to this value 66.72. This very point. That is where sales may come in. Sellers will join. Get to the Japanese yen. The Japanese yen are expected to reverse from this very point and come up with it, go down deeper and come up again. At this juncture, I'm going to leave. I'm not going to trade you another Japanese yen because the pair may not have a clear direction now because of this tension, but I suspected a continuous selling may come in. But you're not going to fall so easily. You may be dancing, 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 down. You're not going to fall like this impulse. It will be so slow and so sluggish that you may regret it. But I wanted to come up here, this other block, to pick a very good order to drop. So I would love it if it can come up like this, enter there, then pick order and drop. That will be very fantastic. But if it did not come up to this very place and pick order and drop, then I will not trade it. I'll just be looking at it. If you continue to dance, 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 I will not be looking at it. And if you break below here, you break this, draw it well. You break this low, this is very low. If the market come down and break this low, then after the correction up, I will sell it down. That's what I will do. Yeah, but now I will not have any decision to make on the pair now. You can see US dollar to Swiss francs. You can see what is happening there. I expected it to even come up here. So this very place, pick some orders and then drop. But it did not even make it there. Not even make it that up to give me another foreign drop. And you can see the drop is very huge and it's very heavy. So I expected it to continue on dropping by Monday. That's what I expected in this pair. There is no bullish. I will not be buying any dollar pair. I will not be buying dollar against. Wow, 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 wow. This is the wrong thing. This is a Euro-Japanese yen. This is a Euro-Japanese yen. Remember, I told you yen is going to be difficult. Yen is going to be strengthened. So looking at it, I suspected an up move may come towards here, and then a set stop will come. So I was looking forward to sell this pair. I'll be looking forward to sell this pair. I'll be watching it this week. I'm looking forward to sell this pair because looking at it, it has completed my expectation in a correction. This is WX and this is Y. Can you see that? The candles of the war and during this war, yen is always a safe haven, and yen will always get strength. Euro will also get strength, but yen will be more stronger than euro. So I will be expecting this yen to form and give me a very good set stop on daily time frame. Then I can sell it down a very big setup. And that setup is going to be a swing trade that will last for months. This is a Great Britain Japanese yen. It has not gotten to the place I wanted it to come, but it's still on the way. So I'm still waiting for it to come to this very place and pick some order and draw. So, but looking at it, and looking at the situation of the global tension and war, coming up here will be very, very sluggish, very, very sluggish. And it may end up here. It may end up at this very point. It may not reach to this line. It may end up at this very point. From there, I started selling. So I'll be watching it this week. It's on my watch list for this week where I can find my set entry. Okay, this is a US30 in this. You can remember this analysis. I did it on, I think on Thursday. I shared it in my Telegram group that this pair expected to come up from here and drop very this low, come to this play order block and pick some orders and go up. And being that there is a global tension, this sell may be more deep than what we thought. It may come very deep to this very point. It will come to this very point, or even below it before it can go up again. Or it may be dancing there because of the tension and the war. It may be dancing there and don't have a specific direction. So it may be ranging or trending anyway. We'll be looking at it by next week to see what is going to happen. Of course, you know this analysis I did on Thursday, and you can see that it's playing out already. This is an ending diagonal or triangle. I can call it a triangle. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I've added it to do what? To correct deeply A, B, and C. Then from here, I look for buy setup. Boom. That's what I've added NASDAQ. So I'll be watching it this week. If I see a setup From there, I can sell it to here, then allow it to come up again. I sell it to this very point. I will look for setup. I sell it down here, then I look for buy where I can buy it. If I don't see anyone, I will leave it and wait for buy setup. That is all for NASDAQ. US30 index, look at it. I expected it to come break this low, break this place. This is very low. And let's leave that. Although I expected to pass from here, but looking at the current situation of global tension, I'm expected to come here now. This very place will be the place that will come to pick some orders. If I started by very place will be the place until we pick an order to buy. So let me just do it. Well, let me just mark it clear. So what? I think I have marked already. Like there is an inducement here. I see inducement close to it, the time frame. So I'm expecting it to come to that place, come deeper to that place, then it can still go up there, then come while going up. So any which one. This is global. I will not be in haste to buy it. I will be watching. This current situation, trading currency here will be difficult. Why? Because it will be moving like most of the time the market will be on a ranging time, it will be ranging. So if you are not careful, you'll be hitting stop loss all the time. This kind of market is not going to use stop loss. But it cannot use stop loss. It cannot trade without stop loss because it may even destroy your account. So looking at this is a very good rejection bar. So I can rejection pin bar or rejection bar. And looking at this one that I've come here to touch a daily order block. The daily order block was tapped in before all this move up. Coming here again to close below here, below this low. Taking the position. So I've added markets to continue up and taking out this one. To take a look at this high, or to take out this high, and even this year, or even stop at this place. Either I stop here or stop here. Or two value places may be the place we'll be looking at to find or sell everything. So that now we're looking for buy on this point. Good. This is a strong. Now, the goods. If you watch my analysis on gold, I think last 2 weeks when it was here, I thought goods to come to this very point. This place are marked. I'm going to come there. I'm going to already if you check the chart, you see that very there. I'll take profits. So if I go down to that, you see them. So but now, what am I expecting in gold? Due to this place, I don't see this total SY playing out again. I don't even see here stopping gold again. What I see is this. This is a wave one. This is wave two. This is wave one of wave three. That was this one. Wave two or wave three. And this is wave three or wave three. We're going to tear up this upper rim, give us wave four, and continue. Because of the war, gold is favorite. When there is crisis, when there is war, when there is global tension, gold will continue to fly up. And now let's say global tension between Iran and Israel. And that likely may escalate more. If other country puts hand on it, will escalate it. Looking at the gold, I will be looking for buying gold. I will be buying gold from next week. I'm not seeing any gold. I will looking for buy opportunity of gold. I will buy it till it get to this very 4,000 naira per onions. So that's $4,000 per onions. That's what I expected the gold to come. I expected the gold to reach that level. So I'll be looking for buy. I'll continue to buy it till it get to this very close. Then I'll start looking at what is going to happen before I continue. Good. This is silver. Silver is breaking the all-time high, which is $34. So now it has come to correct. See the correction, pin bar, is very good. Silver to continue up, or it may even come to liquidate this down, liquidate that pin bar, and then touch this value place, and then continue. So there are two possibilities in silver. So if you are bullish on silver, you are on the right track, and silver going to be bullish. Every commodity will going up because of this global tension because there are going to be so much disruption in supply chain. You know, the flights that are going to Middle East have been cancelled. And many things will go wrong with that Middle East. So the supply chain, the global supply chain will be distorted and it's going to affect commodity. And all the commodity will going up, both silver, both soya beans, both platinum, all the whole commodity, both metal and food will going up. Their prices will be going up in the market. So if you know that the one you like to trade, find it and key in. I'll be focusing on the gold and oil this week. I'm not going to trade any currency pair. I'm watching currency pair, but I'll focus more on gold and oil. That is where the money will be coming now due to this global tension. Okay, this is Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. I think somebody asked me to do analysis on this video. So looking at it, I expect the price to come down more. The price to come down here to this very block, daily other block, and then boom, that's what I expected in this pair. I expected the pair to come down and go up. And market can still break the low because of this global issue. We know that when oil is going up, Canada dollar will be stronger. So if oil is going up, Canada dollar will be stronger. So there's possibility that this pair can come down below that place I marked. It may come down below that place, even below this place. It may come down below this region. It may mark it well. It may break this low. Why did I expect it to break this low? It may break this low. This is why I expect to break this low is that whenever crude oil is going up, Canadian dollar will be stronger. So you may see it breaking this because Canadians, their major source of income in their economy is crude oil. And if crude oil goes up, it means that their economy is booming and their currency pair will be also be stronger. That's the fundamental aspect of it. So you may see it more dropping below here. But what I expected is it to stop here. Give me a buy setup and buy at least take this high out or take this high out before any reversal. So I think that is all for Canadian dollar. They don't have crude oil. They are supposed to analyze crude oil for you guys, but I have not put crude oil. I will share it on Telegram channel. So if you are there, you will get to know, you see the crude oil. Okay, this is Bitcoin, and at least Bitcoin also will be making some move up, as well as Bitcoin to come up here. This very place, drop again, come up again to create a ending diagonal. Totally ending diagonal. Once I see that ending diagonal, I know that Bitcoin is time to sell. So now, so I need to create an ending diagonal before any sell. So what am I expecting here? Just a buy to break up here, and come up. What I expected in BTC. Another pair. Okay, that is all, guys. Remember that to subscribe to this channel and remember to click the bell icon, give us a thumb like, and join our Telegram channel. I'll analyze the crude oil on our Telegram channel. I will drop it on the Telegram channel. I don't want the video to be long, so I'll analyze it and drop it on the Telegram channel. So do well to join our Telegram channel and see the crude oil chart and know how to enter and how to manage your risk. Thank you guys for watching. Bye for now.